Creating ads used to be stressful. Hiring actors, shooting scenes, waiting weeks for edits. But not anymore. Meet Arcads.AI, your AI-powered video ad creator. In just minutes, you can turn any script into a realistic, human-style video ad. No cameras, no studios, no extra costs. It's fast, affordable, and looks like it was shot by a pro. You simply type or paste your text, pick from over 300 avatars, choose a voice, and Arcads generates your video, complete with natural lip sync and expressions, in about 2.5 minutes. That's changing how marketers make ads. Arcads.AI is perfect for digital product sellers, SaaS companies, coaches, and content creators who need ads fast. If you run Facebook, TikTok, or YouTube ads, this can help you test more creatives without blowing your budget. You can even create your own talking actors by submitting photos or other imagery, which the AI then transforms into high-fidelity, lifelike avatars. Arcads also offers a gestures feature, allowing you to choose specific movements and expressions for your avatar, perfect for conveying different emotions and tones across various ads. Alright, let's see Arcads.AI in action. The link to the website is right there in the description. Go ahead and click it. When you log in, you'll land on the main dashboard. It offers a range of powerful features like talking actor, gestures, B-rolls, scenes, show your app, unboxings POV, WAN 2.2 animate. Here you can choose the models. There are 3 models available: Auto-Driven, ArcGIS 1.0, OmniHuman 1.5. Now, let's explore one of them, the Talking Actor feature, which lets you pick from a variety of AI actors and have them deliver your script up to 2 minutes long. From here, I'll select the OmniHuman 1.5 model, which is the latest and most advanced version available. Next, you can choose between text-to-speech or speech-to-speech. If you go with speech-to-speech, you'll need to upload an MP3 file or record your own voice. For this demo, I'll use text-to-speech and add my script here. You can also enhance your delivery by adding speech emotions. For example, making your voice sound more expressive or natural. Now, it's time to choose an actor. Arcads.AI offers a large library of actors to pick from. You can also create your own actor by generating it from a text prompt or uploading a photo of the person you want. For this example, I'll select this actor. Here, you can fine-tune settings like audio speed. I'll keep it at 1.00x.
Creating ads for your business doesn't have to take weeks. With Arcads.AI,
and adjust parameters like stability, similarity, style, exaggeration to match your desired output. Once everything looks good, click on Generate. Before finalizing, Arcads.AI will ask for video confirmation with a few safety reminders, like avoiding violent or restricted content. Finally, click on Generate Video, and your video will start rendering. In just a few moments, your AI-generated video ad is ready. Let's play it and see what it has created.
Creating ads for your business doesn't have to take weeks. With Arcads.AI, you can make realistic, human-style video ads in minutes. No actors, no cameras, no editing.
Wow, absolutely stunning. The actor looks lifelike, and the performance feels so natural. Now, let's try out the gestures feature, which add natural body language and facial expressions to your actors, so they feel more real and engaging. Simply describe the gestures you want, just like I've done here, and then add your actor. Arcads gives you a variety of actors to choose from, so pick the one that best fits your content. Once you've made your choice, click Generate Gesture. In just a few minutes, your gestures are ready. Let's play it back. This is really impressive. You can see how natural and realistic the gestures look. It instantly makes the video feel more alive. The link to the website is right there in the description. Go ahead and enjoy it. And if you're happy with it, you can also download it directly from here and start using it in your projects right away. Up next, the B-rolls feature. Perfect for adding cinematic shots. Simply enter your description of the video you want, just like I've done here. You can also add a reference image and set a start frame to guide the look and feel. Next, choose your video ratio. For this example, I'm going with 9:16, then select the video duration. I've set mine to 10 seconds. Once everything is set, click Generate Video and Arcads will start creating it for you. After just a few minutes, your video is ready. Let's hit play. Wow, it looks incredible, just like a real photo shoot. From here, you can extend it, remix it, or download it directly. All right, now let's check out the Scenes feature and see how we can bring an entire setting to life. The Scenes feature is simple to use. Start by entering your script here, then describe the scene in detail, including the actor, the sounds, and the location. You can also add a reference image and a start frame to guide the visuals. From here, you can add more scenes. Each time you add one, you'll also need to write its script and describe the scene so Arcads knows exactly what to create. Once all your scenes are entered, choose your video ratio. I'm going with 9:16 and click Generate Scene. Arcads will begin bringing your vision to life. Let's watch all the scenes and see what it's created.
I've been using this for a week. My skin feels amazing.
Oh wow, this is absolutely stunning! The visuals look like they came straight from a high-end professional photo shoot. Sharp details, vibrant colors, and lifelike actors that feel real. Next comes the Show Your App feature, which lets you instantly generate a short showcase clip. All you need to do is upload a screenshot of your app, just like I did, then select an actor from the library. There are multiple options to choose from. Once you've picked one, click Generate, and Arcads will start creating your showcase video. Let's play it. Wow, it's absolutely stunning and looks so professional. Now, let's move on to the Unboxing POV feature. This one is designed to create short, engaging unboxing-style clips. Simply upload an image of your product, pick a template from the available options, and click Generate Video. Once it's ready, just look at the result. It's incredible. You can see how it transforms a simple product image into a dynamic showcase video. Truly amazing. And yes, you can download your finished video right from here. What's incredible is that all of this was made in just minutes, without expensive cameras, sets, or actors. And the best part? You're not limited to just 1 or 2 clips. You can build an entire video storyline with as many scenes as you want, mixing different locations, moods, and characters, all with this one powerful tool. And that's how easy it is to bring your ideas to life with Arcads. From talking actors to realistic gestures, stunning B-rolls, and fully customized scenes. In just a few clicks, you can create professional quality videos without expensive gear or a film crew. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the link in the description to start creating your own videos today. See you in the next one.